Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file for divorce in Hawaii. First, ensure you meet the residency requirements. You or your spouse must have lived in Hawaii for 6 months and in your specific judicial circuit for 3 months. Hawaii is a no-fault state, meaning you only need to state that your marriage is irretrievably broken. Begin by collecting all essential financial and personal documents. Next, you'll need to get the right forms. Visit the Hawaii State Judiciary website or your local family court for the specific packet for your circuit. Carefully complete the complaint for divorce and all other necessary documents. Once everything is filled out, file these forms with the family court. Be prepared to pay the filing fee, which can be around $215 for cases without children. After filing, you must formally notify your spouse by serving them the divorce papers. This must be done by someone over 18 years old who is not involved in your case. Common methods include personal delivery, certified mail with a return receipt, or hiring a professional process server. Your spouse then typically has 20 days to file a response with the court. Finally, for uncontested divorces, the process can be relatively quick, often finalizing in 6 to 10 weeks after all paperwork is submitted. In many uncontested cases, a judge will review your documents without requiring a court appearance. Your divorce becomes legally effective once the judge signs the divorce decree and it is officially filed with the court.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.